Okay, so this is a presentation document that I have on my Google Slides account, and this is the video version of that document. Now, before I continue, let me just give you a quick preview of what the video looks, and later I'm going to show you how you can turn your Google Slides document into this type of video. So let me play the video first.
Welcome to this high-level overview of how modern large language models like GPT work. What is an LLM? It's a neural network trained to predict the...
Okay, I think that's enough preview. So basically, it is a sort of corporate style video, which I think you can use for company announcement, perhaps employee meeting. You can also use it for academic lectures, and perhaps you can use it to pitch a client. So this is a very simple video, just some narrator talking, and also there is some background music. And of course, the visual is just the slides that you created in Google Slides. So let me show you how you can create a video like this from a Google Slides document. So step number one, you must open a document via Google Slides. And in this case, I have 3 different presentations that I could turn into a video. But I guess I will start with maybe this one. I guess I'm going to be using only this document as a demonstration. Now, make sure that the document contains enough text, because AI will look at the text, we'll use that as a context, and we'll create AI voiceover and also the script. So after that, after you open the document on Google Slides, you can click File, click Convert Video, and it will open this interface in Google Feeds. So you can select the slides that you want to incorporate into the video, and also you might include AI voiceover, script, and background music. I'm going to enable this setting, click Import, and just wait for about a minute or so for this AI tool to convert your document, your presentation, into a narration style video. And I'll be back in a second. Okay, so the video has been generated, but before I give you a quick preview, there are a few things that I'm going to do. So one thing here that I think is very important is I want to actually replace the background music with something else, because here, even though earlier it says that AI might create music and AI voiceover and also the script, apparently it doesn't create the music. The music or the background music is actually provided by Shutterstock, and that could be a problem, especially if you want to publish the content to the internet, especially YouTube. So if you don't want to deal with some copyright claim, that I do recommend to replace the background music. So in this case, I'm going to be using a background music that I have created using 11 Labs, and actually have a video on how you can create music or song using 11 Labs. You can check it out on my channel. Anyway, let's continue. So here I'm going to play the first few seconds of the video, and I'm going to customize a few things to make the video just look and sound better. So let me play the video first.
New York City is known for its high cost of living, but many strategies can help you navigate the city without emptying your wallet. This video explores practical advice for frugal living in the Big Apple. For housing, consider...
Okay, so one thing here that I noticed right away is the background music is just a bit too loud, and there are 2 ways you can fix that. First, you can just click on the music track, and you can click this sound button, and you can reduce the volume a bit. So that's one way to fix the issue, but you can also use something called audio ducking. Now I'm going to select the voice, the AI voice basically, and I'm going to open the sound setting again, and I'll enable narrative, and you can apply that to each narration that you want to apply the audio ducking. So let me just play the video again, and you'll see the difference.
It's known for its high cost of living, but many strategies can help you navigate the city without emptying your wallet. This video explores practical advice for frugal living in the Big Apple. For housing, consider...
Okay, maybe you cannot hear the background music. I can still hear it, although it's kind of faint, but that's exactly the goal. We want the background music to only audible when there is no narration. So I think it works quite well. Now, another thing that you can do is you can incorporate the avatar feature. So basically you can add some AI face, of course, talking or narrating the video. But one thing here that you need to know is that this AI avatar has different voice than the AI voiceover. So the AI voiceover has different sound, different characteristic. Basically, you can actually preview the audio and you'll hear that it's very different. So you have to choose, do you want to use AI voiceover or AI avatar? You cannot have both, only choose one of them. Now in this case, by default, it is using AI voiceover. So if you want to use AI avatar, then you have to maybe click all scenes and then you can regenerate everything. So now every single slide will have a new AI avatar, and there's going to be a sort of face that you can input, you can insert into the video. So yeah, that's basically a few things that you can customize. And of course, there are some other features that you can explore. Like now we have sorry about that, we have Gemini Nano Banana Pro, where you can generate images, you can add some images from the web, you can also add some text, you can do a lot of things basically. And I'm not going to cover everything, but basically that's the simplest way you can convert your Google Class document into a simple narration style video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.